show you how you can see the number of friends you have on Snapchat. But before we get to that, anywhere on Snapchat, so there's this little trick to it, and it's very simple and easy. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So first we'll open the Snapchat app, and then you'll click on the location button on the bottom left. So let me just open that. So once you open the location button, you click on the settings option here, and you will click on you turn off the ghost mode. So you make sure you turn off ghost mode, and then you click on only these friends. Once you do that, so over here you have the select all option. So you will select all these friends, select all, and once you select all of your friends like this, so let me select all my friends here. So yeah, go ahead and keep on scrolling down and clicking on the select all option, then click on save. And now here you can see under only these friends you have 2 names and then plus 53 others. So that means I have 54 friends on Snapchat. So this is how I will know. This is how I will know that how many friends I have. So I'll turn it off real quick. Just deselect everyone. So after you've known how many friends you have, make sure that you've turned off your location viewing, sharing your location. You've turned on your ghost mode, because you wouldn't want to be sharing your location. It's quite unsafe. So once you do that, this is how you see how many friends you have on Snapchat, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. It's very easy and simple.